myself, my people. I'm there right now, people. Right now, my hot, you know. I be here in a fall. Look outside. Outside? Yeah, man. Well, people, right about now, I just come give you an update on that thing, you know. I know it's a reach new link. You understand? And, boy, I tell you, sometimes, you know, people, we do some business and we want money, you know. But in the end of the day, boy, things just not turn around the way for when you do the wrong thing sometimes, man. I then say, wrong not pay. You not pay in the idea. You can't make all that money with wrong sometimes, people, but in the idea, not pay. See? Because Jamaica, man, right now, people in the south further, people. Me I tell you, right now, your life turn hell. Him now see what road in the people for now, you know. Because him swap, he slap with, you understand, 21 years imprisonment plus 10 months, you know. In a USA Thursday, yesterday, gone, you know, people. You understand? And this man is just 44 years old. And he having youth them. You understand? And them things. There's somebody know how him fit, boy, me I tell the people. Because it is said that this man, you understand? The charges was laid against him. For smuggle people illegal in the United States of America. Through Bahamas, the route of Bahamas. You understand? And who people who got testify against this man is the own people who he help get smuggling, and you understand, so same people will help out for reach there, you know, give away, you know, people. You understand, we got tell you in a lie sometime. We understand, so maybe them all the people, man, them pressure them, but that them give away. You understand, but in the day, what me I say now, people, we don't know. We just don't know sometimes. That's why I tell you, say, yes, right now, people, you better you can be real. Work hard for your money. Do your 9 to 5 if you do it. If you are going to do something about your honest bread pay. You understand? Because look at now, people outside flooding. Flood. A storm come here, me have to wonder right now. Me even get no update if no hurricane come here now. But me gonna tell you these people on a level now. This brother now, I look for 40, yo, me I tell you now, people. Man a 40 had so 21 years and me know, them a give me straight, people. They not cut up nothing and chop up nothing, piece or nothing. Them a give me straight. Because them a say, yo, a whole heap of people in bringing through the route there. You understand? A whole heap of people say, boy, me I tell you. You could have look for more too, you know. When I check it out now, people say, when they do it, I ease up on him. So I look for, when he come up by him a sick, boy, 60-year-old. 20 years, them getting them a 44. Boy, me I tell you, yo, boy, that's why you say new link. Me dey on the safer side now, people. Me I tell you the truth, people. Me dey on the safer side. Come here, me turn on, tell her make me carry now, people. Get some AC and cool on my body here, man. Because me not go on the wrong side, people. You understand? No, sir. Boy, a whole heap of, and but here the worst part of it now. Right, oh Lord. Let me tell you this, people. Here the worst part of it now. Here the worst part about this thing, you know, people. See? Them say, this man, sometimes he carry the people in, right? And when he bring the people in over in the United States, people and like say, they not give me full money. Them say, or sometimes he want more money. Them say the man, all the people and pressure them and like carry them back out a sea in a boat and torture them, no feed them and them something. They say that's the wicked thing about this man, you know. That means, so that's why people who was victim of this man go up and testify against him. Say he's a wicked man. You understand? Even though they might get deported, they're not business. But he's a wicked man. But boy, people, me I tell you. You understand? But any more follow up me get on this news, but he's sentenced now. You understand? Me go you don't know the thing, man. Because me there people in a beer rain, as me tell you, see out there, car drive and everything, people are look out, because you don't know. When rain fall, you know, people sometimes, you know, a beer flood down at them part there, you know. You understand? Some need not go out there, because you don't know. We know when you link get flood out there, so no can't see new link on the video them. They get me some of you, I'm turn on the AC here. So, you know, idea, my people, pick up on yourself. Enough love and enough respect, but boy, pick up here, big up.